Now, as the Super Puppet Explorers, Mr. Doofusface and Mr. Thinks-A-Lot, as they began their quest to investigate the amazing tower of Coke, Canada Dry, and more Canada Dry. So, we shall see what they are talking about now.
Well, if my calculations are correct, we should be at the top by sundown. Oh, shut up. Listen, if we're gonna do this right, you gotta listen.
Okay.
You know what? Now that I'm looking at it, we should be there by like 5 seconds.
Okay.
Hey, you don't know nothing. You be quiet.
Okay.
Anywho, we should start walking.
Yeah.
I can't move my legs.